Good morning, children. Welcome to the English online class. Today we will discuss about the poem Sports is Fun, Part 4. So, look into the poem, observe the words and sentences, and read along with me. Sports is fun. So, what is sports, children? Do you know what is sports? Sports means playing. What is the benefit of sports? Sports keeps us healthy and fit. Okay, children? Even you too play many games all the day, like cricket, throw ball, volleyball, and running race, etc. Isn't it? So let's begin our today's poem. Sports is fun. Sports is fun for each and everyone. Let's go out and play on this bright sunny day. So everyone likes to play outside in the sunshine. In school, if you get free period, how will you enjoy? How will you enjoy, children? You will jump in the classroom and you will enjoy. It is a fun. When you go outside and play in the sunshine, what is the benefit of playing in the sunshine, children? It gives exercise to our body. It gives exercise to our body. You will be energetic. It cleans our mind. It makes our mind free. So everyone likes to play in the sunshine. What is the poet telling here? He is calling everyone to play in the sunshine. So today let's play in our Samshululama playground. Okay, children, let's enjoy in our Samshululama playground with your friends. Next, should we play and skip or do high jump or long jump? Let's race each other to see who runs faster. Children, how many of you know skipping? Do you know skipping? How it is played? Now I will show the picture of skipping. This is the picture of skipping. Skipping is a very best exercise to our body. You know, children, if you do skipping, it makes you energetic. It reduces our body weight and it helps to make us tall. Isn't it? So, or do you play high jump or long jump? Okay, during the sports we'll play high jump or long jump during the sports day. Children, if you and your friend do any mischiefs or do you trouble any animals like dog, what it will do? They will keep quiet? No, they will chase you, isn't it? So you will run by doing high jump and long jump and all to save and escape yourself from the dog. Same like here you can see long jump or high jump. Here let's call the whole class to the Shamsul Ulama playground for the race to see who runs fast. Will you race with your friends, children? Okay. Who is the fastest runner? Do you know, children? It's Usain Bolt. Have you seen this picture? See, this is Usain Bolt. Look at the picture, children. This is Usain Bolt. He's the fastest runner. He runs very fast. Will you also become like Usain Bolt by running fast? Here, poet is questioning everyone that can we play skipping? Can we play high jump? Or can we play long jump? Will you also play all this game in our Shamsul Ulama garden? Okay. Come out and play throw ball and volleyball. Kick the football, the basketball. Hockey and cricket, let's play them all. Children, what are the games which we play by ball? It's cricket, basketball, football, volleyball, hockey, then table tennis, etc. isn't it? These are the games we play by the use of ball. Now I will show one picture of game which we play with the help of ball. This is the picture of volleyball. See children, here. Then this is a picture of basketball. See, I'm showing here. Look, this is a picture of basketball. You have basket, you have to throw the ball inside the basket. See, it is called basketball here. Now look at the next picture. It is a football. You have to kick the ball with your foot. Okay, with the help of your foot. This is called football, isn't it? Football with the help of, you have to kick the football with the help of your foot. It is called football. So next, oh, look at the pool. Let's swim. It makes us fun, and then we shall go walking to school. Children, what the poet is telling here? Here poet is telling, look at the pool. You can see pool here, and swim in the pool. It makes you cool. It is also a good for your muscles. That means swimming is good for your muscles. And next poet is telling, we shall do walking to school, because walking is a best exercise to our body. Like your parents or elder brother or elder sister goes for walking and jogging in the morning, isn't it? Have you seen? Same like here, walking is a very good exercise to our body. Hope you all understood.